Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you love birds like parrots or wild birds and currently looking for an activity book which has colorful birds in it? Are you a nature lover and want to teach your son the beauty of nature and would like to start by showing him the lovely birds? We have a very informative bird activity book for you. We would like you to know about the birds of the Northwoods activity book. This book is a must for any blossoming bird lover. This activity book features facts for beginners, several fun games, and bird illustrations to color. Spend time with your kid and make sure that he or she will know the beautiful birds. This item is made by David Grech and is targeted mainly for primary-age children. This activity book is a great way to introduce kids to birds and their habitats. This is ideal for the library, school, or for collection. If you're a teacher, then this activity book will be an impressive addition to your books. Grab the Birds of the Northwoods activity book today at a very affordable price and see to it that you have an informative activity book which your kid or students will absolutely love. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.